losing weight effectively requires a realistic approach. Forget crash diets and extreme workouts, they're unsustainable. Instead, set SMART goals. Make them specific: lose 1 pound per week. Measurable, track your progress regularly. Achievable, set realistic targets based on your current fitness level. Relevant, ensure your goals align with your overall health and lifestyle. And time-bound, give yourself a reasonable time frame, like 3 months. Focus on creating lasting lifestyle changes, like incorporating regular exercise and a balanced diet. Sustainable changes lead to long-term success and a healthier you. Effective weight loss exercise plans aren't one-size-fits-all. A balanced approach is key. Incorporate cardio exercises like running, swimming, or cycling to burn calories and improve cardiovascular health. Strength training, whether with weights or bodyweight exercises, builds muscle mass, which boosts metabolism and helps you burn more calories even at rest. Don't forget flexibility exercises like yoga or Pilates to improve balance, reduce injury risk, and enhance overall well-being. Most importantly, choose activities you genuinely enjoy. If you dislike your workouts, you're less likely to stick with them. Finding enjoyable activities ensures long-term adherence to your exercise plan. Consistency is more crucial than intensity when it comes to creating a sustainable exercise plan. Don't aim for grueling workouts, focus on building a routine you can maintain. A balanced weekly schedule should incorporate both cardio and strength training, with rest days built in to allow for muscle recovery and injury prevention. A sample plan might include cardio 3 times a week, strength training twice, and 2 rest days. However, this is just a suggestion, tailor it to your fitness level and preferences. Listen to your body: if you feel pain, rest. Don't hesitate to adjust your schedule based on how you feel and your progress. Flexibility is key to long-term success. Exercise and nutrition are inseparable when it comes to weight loss. While exercise burns calories, a healthy diet dictates your overall caloric intake. Focus on portion control to manage calorie consumption. Eat balanced meals rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Avoid excessive processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. Staying well hydrated is also crucial for overall health and performance. Water aids digestion, helps regulate body temperature, and supports your workouts. Remember, exercise alone isn't a magic bullet for weight loss. A healthy diet is just as, if not more, important for achieving sustainable weight management. Tracking your progress is essential for staying motivated and making necessary adjustments to your plan. Monitor your weight, body measurements, and fitness levels. Are you losing weight at a healthy rate? Are your clothes fitting better? Are you feeling stronger and more energetic? Use this data to assess your plan's effectiveness. If you're not seeing progress, don't get discouraged. Evaluate your diet and exercise routine. Maybe you need to increase the intensity, try new exercises, or adjust your calorie intake. Remember, weight loss is a journey, not a race. Be patient with yourself and celebrate every small victory, whether it's fitting into a smaller pair of jeans or completing a challenging workout. Consistent effort leads to sustainable results.